Hello guys again, my name is Andrew and today I'm going to show you how to work this lovely virtual reality headset from SILVERCREST. It only cost $9.99. Well, let's see how it works. First of all, you must have a phone. In my case, I do have the Galaxy S7. I open this. It's open and closed with magnets here and here. You can realize that. Here we got another magnet door. Close like that. And inside here we have this adjustable mechanism that you can put your phone. And you can adjust it like that. Then you can close it on this door. See, this is the front camera, because you do have this, you must have this door open because you must see the camera, how it looks from this way. You must take a pictures or video to work this virtual reality. Okay, here you have two mechanisms that it goes out and in. You can adjust the way you see here. Unfortunately, I can work and I can't give you the opportunity to see how it works, but I can review how the case works. Then you do have this button, it goes left and right. Again, you can adjust here those, how it looks into the display. It's the same thing for this, like that. Here you have some adjustables. I see, no, it's not adjustable, it looks how it is. It fits very well to my head. I tried. These cushions are very soft material. This it's another button here. You can adjust the picture when you see something inside, how it looks. And of course you must download some application to make it work, because with no application you can not work this. And here we have some manuals. You're giving us some manuals to see how it will work, because it's something that you don't know very well. You definitely want to use the manuals. Well, that was my review. I suppose not so good, because I can't show you the old picture how it works. But that was all. Thank you for watching this lovely review. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. But please hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future it will come and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.